Good morning sa ating mga tropang Matics. So nandito tayo sa PTM at magkakaroon ng training seminar sa Math Science English sa HATS for Higher Order Thinking Skills. So July 20, 21 and 22. So ito yung sa science, ito yung sa math. So tingnan natin sila dito. So ito yung sa mga mathematics. Sir Norman teacher ng PTM sa PTM, Sir Roman, ang mga participants sa PTM naman sa Bubog, Sir Eric Lucy, tapos sa Bubog National High School Sir Chris Barongan, sa grade 10 si Jeline Osmera, sa grade 8 si Ma'am Joy sa Martin Hamon, grade 8 si Ma'am Miriam Alicia sa grade 7 at si Sir Joel sa grade 9, Sir Alvin sa grade 7, Ma'am Tata sa grade 10, si Sir Norman sa grade 9. Next time si Ma'am Lynette De Castro Cabanas. So ito yung mga sa science, si Ma'am Iya sa English.
This 3-day district training on higher order thinking skills, professional learning packages for English, science, and mathematics. We are thrilled to have you here at Pedro T. Menjola Senior Memorial National High School. We are about to embark on a journey of growth and learning, and I'm confident that these days we will be both productive and inspiring. Let us make the most of this opportunity to enhance our teaching practices to better support our students. May we all stand for a prayer to be followed by singing the nationalistic song and the Definite Quality Song.
Kailan yung susok nandun sa sa garden. May extension wire din dyan sa kabila.
I'm so blessed, my Lord, I can see you. In all things so fine and true. I see you in the beauty of the flowers and the rain. I see you between the lines, all the sweet refrain. So blessed, my Lord, I can see you. Even when I'm lonely and
namin yan.
Thank you, Sir Romer Romero, the master teacher of San Jose National High School, Ma'am Marian Paco, our master teacher of San Jose National High School, José Cachenco, master teacher of San Jose National High School, Sir Gabino Felipe, head teacher 5, Ma'am Tata Barona, master teacher 1 of PTM, Sir Norman Grospe, ang pinasipag na mga master teacher, sa ating mga tropang matics ng BPM, ng Bubog National High School, ng San Jose National High School. Welcome po sa BTM at sa ating district training of teachers on higher order skills. Sana'y marami po tayong matutunan sa seminar na ito at humusay palalo ang ating mga mag-aaral sa matematika. Mula din sa aming principal, Sir Jesse P. Chevari, Ma'am Ministry Osorio, ang aming assistant principal sa senior high school, Ma'am Mary Jane Sares Daguhoy, aming assistant principal sa senior high school, sa aming PTM admin staff, sa ating education program supervisor sa Mathematics Department, Ma'am Joanna Jol Tahonera, at sa ating superintendent, Ma'am Lloyd Palay Adornado, ang kanilang pagbati sa ating lahat. Good luck po sa ating lahat and good morning to all.
Good morning.
Kapatid sa larangan ng edukasyon. I was once messaged yesterday. Sabi sa akin, Ma'am, inspirational message ka bukas. Parang di naman siya nagtatanong. Parang sure naman na siya doon. Siguro gumagawa siya ng program. So, wala na akong choice doon. Kasi parang program naman ang ginagawa niya. So, kung inspirational message ako, ang na-reply ko na lang agoy. Hinart na rin naman niya. Marami pa siyang mga dinugtong na message doon. Well, kung sure na rin naman siya doon, so let me inspire you this morning. Ang una kong tanong, inspired ka pa ba o tired ka na? Just
Inspired.
like what we had from the beginning of July, the NLC, July 1 pa lang. Tapos at Saturday, Sunday, nagmatatag. Tapos balik na naman sa NLC. Tapos ngayon, hot ka naman. Hindi ko na alam kung talagang inspired ka pa ba o tired ka na. Pero from the day on, lagi natin ito papasalamat. Oh my God, nandito ka ngayon. Ibig sabihin, inspired ka. Kasi kung wala ka na dito ngayon, ay wow, tired ka na. Huwag mo naman hintayin na expired ka. Baka matuluyan ka. So kung inspired ka pa ngayon, ibig sabihin, gusto mo pang madagdagan. Kasi yung mga bata naghihintay sa atin sa July 29. At yung mga ibibigay natin sa July 29, nandito pa yung iba, hindi lang nandun sa matatag. So kung naging matatag ka last week, ngayon magiging hot ka naman. At pag hot ka ngayon, hot na matatag ka, ay di wow, ganda naman ng 2024, 2025, di ba? Huwag na natin tingnan yung katawan. Huwag na natin tayo maging hot yung katawan, okay na yun. Kasi nagawa na rin naman natin siguro yan past years in our life, hot tayo noon. Pero ngayon, kung hindi na tayo hot, okay yan, at least hot tayo sa pagtuturo. Inspired pa rin tayo. Sabi ko nga na isang araw, parang feeling ko, nag-reflect ako sa sinabi sa akin nung dapat inspirational na yun. Parang ang inspirational ko na lang, hinihintay ko. Yung choke allowance, yung daily, so yung increase. Pero hindi pala, kailangan pala inspired pa rin tayo everyday. Kasi yung mga bata, kahit gaano man yan kabagal matuto, matuto lang yan bumasa, magbilang, mag-add, mag-subtract, na alam natin isang araw hindi siya maloloko sa mundo na to, sapat na, ang ganda ng achievement natin. Hindi mo kailangan magaling siya sa algebra, kasi hindi naman tatanungin sa langit pag namatay tayo kung ano yung square root ng ano. Natatanungin always ay kung ano ang nagawa mo mabuti sa lupa. Kaya lagi ko yung binibilin sa kanya kahit gaano kabagal ang pagkatuto ng isang bata. Ang mahalaga, hindi tayo nag-hindrance para tumigil siya. Huwag naman, please. Huwag tayo yung maging dahilan para yung bata mag-drop. Tumigil siya. Kahit gaano kabagal yan, pagsagaan ko natin. Ito yung ating piniling bukasyon. Well, kung wala kang choice, tanggapin mo na ito ngayon. Nandito ka ngayon, maraming salamat at nandito ka ngayon. Salamat sa araw na ito. Good morning at God bless us.
Ma'am, inspired ka pa sabay-sabay tayo. Sige natin hats na hats. 1, 2, 3, go!
Hats na hats!
Ayan, mga inspired. Ako po mga inspired at the same time tired. Kasi simula June hanggang July, dire-diretso po ako. Wala akong TV lang. Alam niyo naman po sunod-sunod ang ating mga engagement. So, kaya hinihintay ko na lang po yung engagement ko mismo. Yung mga ibang kasama nyo dito, kinasal na engagement. Ako po, wala pa rin ibang engagement. So, ito lang tayo. Okay, thank you ma'am for that inspiring message. I'd now like to introduce the participants from our various schools. As I call your name and the school's name, please stand and please clap your hands. Okay, let's start with the Bubog National High School.
Hey!
They are 4. Nasaan po ang passing natin from Bubog? Ayan sila. Dalawa sila. Dalawa din ang participant. How about the teachers from San Jose National High School?
Hey!
Ilan tayo po? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We are 10. Yeah, we are 10. And lastly, from Pedro T. Menjola Senior Memorial National High School.
Hey, hey!
Ilan po mga laman?
10 kami sa isa na.
So, siya tayo. Okay po. So, we have here this slide. We would like to invite everyone for the photo op here in front. Please take po tayo isang photo po muna tayo sa harapan. So, let's start with Bubog National High School. All together po tayo. Isa tayo kita ng Bubog. Please use the hashtag DepEdNeapMatadad, hashtag MatHats, and hashtag PTMSMNHS. Baka maraming kakamali dito. Pedro T. Menjola Senior Memorial National High School Class Math. Okay, but to ensure our training runs smoothly, let us go over their house rules and activity norms. I'd like to call on the teacher 3 of San Jose National High School, Ma'am Lealyn A. Diaz.
Yan, good morning po.
Morning!
Sa ating house rules that everyone is expected to follow. But before that po, let me give you a reminder. Meron po tayo AM snack, lunch, and PM snack for the 3-day district training. In case of emergency po, the evacuation area will be in the school oval located on the site of the venue. Ito po ang kanilang school oval. Then, sino po ang pwede natin i-approach if may medical emergency? We have here our school nurse, Ma'am Lynette Cabalce, na nandito lang po sa ating, ayan dyan lang po, makikita. But the clinic is just around, behind daw po, nandun daw po ang kanilang clinic in case of medical emergency. Okay, for the NEAP norms, we have there the 4 symbols. So, ano po kaya ang makikita ninyo? For that first, ano po iyan? Narito, ano po yung symbol na ginamit? Give. Okay, bakit po kaya give? Bonus. Bonus. Bakit? Yan po yung inaasahan sa atin ngayon. May gift. Ano po kaya yon? Aside from bonus. Okay, let me share you this. Narito, the gift icon represents you. So, kayo po pala as our partners in this activity. Please know that you are a gift to DepEd, and your task, if you may, is that you also give us your time and attention, that you be physically and mentally present during the session. Okay po? Next, ano naman po yung ikalawa? Ehemplo. Ano po yung symbol na ginamit? Science model po yun, no? Model. Tama? To model what we are going to gain in this training. So the atomic model for the word ejemplo is inspired of the word model. To model is to exemplify of being ejemplo. So the desirable behavior of participant. What's the genetic makeup of participant that you'd like to have in an activity that you would facilitate? Please model those behaviors. Okay, ikatlo. Ano po yan? Ano po yung symbol na ginamit? Ano po yung maibibigay natin to make this activity successful? Ang bag could be the form of active participation, well-meaning question, reflective insights, and respect for each other. So, yun po ang mga maaari nating maambag ng this activity. The bag also represents the knowledge, skills, and experiences that you would bring home. Siyempre po, di ba? Kung meron kang nailabas, meron ka rin maiuwi after the session. So, yung mga knowledge and skills po na makukuha natin on this training. Okay, next. Ano naman po yan?
Pag-ibig sa bahay.
Pag-ibig sa bahay. Okay. It's not the housing loan. Ang pag-ibig housing loan nun. So, hindi po siya ganon. Ano po kaya? Ano po ba? Ayan, ang galing naman ng ma'am. Nasa bahay daw po ang pag-ibig sa ating pamilya, sa classroom, sa ating mga co-teachers, sa ating mga estudyante. Okay, nandyan po siya. So, anong dapat natin gawin dyan? Ha? We do what we do for our loved ones. Sabi ko, for those who's inside that structure or sa bahay na iyan. The icon is also a reminder that we owe it to ourselves to give ourselves to our loved ones. Okay? Pero dapat daw po natin tandaan na we cannot give, para may bigay na daw. We cannot give what we don't have. Kaya po, dapat we can pour from an empty cup. So, empty cup, sorry. So, dapat punuan po muna natin yun para maibigay naman natin dun sa ating mga mahal, dun sa loob ng bahay na iyan. Okay? So, ano nga po yung apat? From the NEAP norms, sino pong makakapag-recite?
Narito ako.
Narito. Ejemplo. Ambag. Ang pag-ibig. Okay. Madali po bang matandaan? So, ano expected sa atin? The NEAP norms. Okay. Ayan. So, meron po tayo norms. Meron din po tayong house rule. On time. Next, let's use our gadgets during breaks. So, as much as possible daw po, turn off our gadgets or put them on silent mode. Okay? When not needed. If it is an emergency call, pwede naman po, take the call outside. Okay? Then number 3, let's treat all with respect and dignity. So yan, let's treat all with respect and dignity regardless of their age, race, gender, language, religion, opinions, ethnicity, social origin, disability, or other status. Okay, next. Last but not the may pang-isa ka. We have number 4. Ayan, let's respect everyone's privacy and viewpoint. Okay? If you disagree, do so politely. So let's not ask private questions from our co-participants or pressure them with each other. Okay po? Then number 5, let's practice clean. Po, clean as we go. So, number 6, let's remember to breathe. So, yan po. Thank you very much po.
Pagkakalimutan niya Sir QC. Then now, this is the contact of our nurse po pala. You may take a photo of this or save it on your contact for emergency purposes. Thank you, ma'am. If you meron po, next to guide us to the expectations for this training, this will help us align our goals and make the most of our time together. The real expectations with S for X and C for the second T. The teacher 3 of San Jose National High School, Miss Catherine C. Expectation.
Good morning. Good morning.
For the level of expectation, so ganito po tayo. So I'm going to give a meta-card. So dito, you have to answer the following question.
lang daw.
I-share daw upstairs.
Classic.
May nakar.
Si Paso. Ang tawag dyan.
Nakar.
Hindi mo man ang isa.
And this is it.
Kasi hindi mo kulay.
Okay, ready na po ba? You have to answer this for 5 minutes. May numbers 1 to 3.
Wala ko na.
Explanation pala.
Last 2 minutes. Itaas po. Sige po. Ngayon, para naman makipag-socialize kayo sa ibang school at hindi lang kayo ng kayo yung magkasama sa school, this is the time. This is it, okay? Sige po. Tayo po lahat na nakakuha ng color yellow. Yellow.
Naka-yellow ka na naman.
Sige
Nag-yellow na rin ako.
po. Kayo po ang magiging group 1. Dito ba kayo? Then, saan tayo po? Okay, then, sino na po nakakuha ng color blue? Tayo po. Yellow, blue, and pink. Sino na po?
Same sa 3, ma'am, active participation, then sa 3 niya, active participation ng mga co-participants sa same time.
Okay. Ano po yung magiging number nyo at the end of the session hanggang third day? Okay?
Favorite number ko ay na.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, ang dad.
I expect that the facilitators or resource speakers are knowledgeable and competent enough that they would have clear and concise discussions.
Okay, thank you.
I expected to have a smooth flow of the program. Yun lang po.
From my co-participants, strategies to use to enhance learning.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sa active participation and share what I have.
And, Has, maybe you Has, familiar na po kayo?
Yan, higher order thinking skills.
Higher order thinking skills.
Kala ko ano na
Balik
eh.
tayo sa solo. Baka may idea. Ano ibig sabihin ng solo?
Single.
Yes, ma'am.
Hot single.
Meron ka na. Saan ba yung sabi mo nga? Tama yan, ha? Ano ba yung nakakabibig na si Mama? And you have to develop a workplace application. Yun ang sinasabi. You have to also conceptualize solo-based teaching strategies and methodologies. Ano yung mga strategies or methods na pwede iakmag sa solo? And also, you have to assess learners' cognitive level consistent with the solo framework. And you have to formulate palito. Okay. Yung palito na yan, sisindihan.
Kapatid, nasusulat.
Good morning, Norman, ang master teacher ng PTM.
Okay naman. Ito yung mga ating gagawin ngayong araw. Ating session 1. Okay, sir, inuman session na. CRT walkthrough. Ating session 2 ay solo maths in the classroom. Binubuo ko ito ng tatlo. 2A, 2B, and 2C. So, para po bukas ay session 3. Supporting hacks in the classroom through learning process. Session 4. at sling practice. Session 5. Workplace application plan. Bukas din po ito. Then, third day, sa Monday po, session 6 tayo. Facing the forces. At ang monthly po, session 7 ay professional learning community in schools. Yun lang po. Wala na po session 8. Salamat.
Whenever you have questions na hindi pa na-answer,
It's a normal
or meron may biglang appear na
must
questions,
take it.
you may park your questions here in our freedom hall so that we could address them on our MOS. And few reminders, tayo po ay bounded by these requirements, the registration, the pre-test, attendance, evaluation, post-test, and outputs. Remember that we are monitoring every outputs that you are going to accomplish. So, para lahat po tayo ay mabigyan ng completion ng certificate, ay please accomplish the following. So, help break po na tayo ng 30 minutes.
Pahaba naman.
Welcome, Ma'am Maria Basilia Barron. Barron po, mas pa rin.
Hey!
Good morning po sa akin lahat.
Good morning!
First time ko po magsalita dito na walang hawak ng microphone. Ay, joke lang. Alam ko namang nakahawak na kayo ng microphone. Iba yun? Humawak na yun. Okay, before po ako mag-start, tatanungin ko dapat may pangalan ba ng group natin?
Andun lang ang pangalan natin, sir.
Tropang Matics.
Ang group 1 ay
Ano?
Iba yun?
Hindi na lang. Ano sa inyo? Matinik?
Tayo na, sir. Matics. Grupong Matics.
Grupong Matinik?
Matinix na.
Matinix.
higher order.
Mahaba.
Higher
na lang.
order.
Order daw tayo. Higher order thinking. Sila na.
Order po.
Order tayo. Order.
So thinking, mag-ready ka, sir. Okay, so
Sila na. Order tayo. Order is order.
So welcome po sa last PLP training session. Sisimula na po tayo. Okay. So, I am Maria Basilia Alvaronan from PCMS and Feminist and the Master Teacher Law. Okay. So, I will be facilitating the session 1, the walkthrough of resources. Ready na ba kayo?
Yes!
Start po tayo dun sa mga match tips. Match tips ba yan? Yes, ma'am. Sisipin na natin yan. gagawin natin for 3. Okay. So, again, how many sessions do we have? There are 7 sessions. Okay, so we are now in session 1, which is the walkthrough of HATS. Okay, so the session objectives, at the end of the session, participants or you will be able to describe the general overview of the HATS PLPs, participate and collaborate in the activities on the common understandings about HATS. Lahat na nga ako. Palaki ko fan dito. Familiarize oneself with the HATS PLPs and provide feedback on the HATS PLPs. Okay, so this is based on the PPST strand. Familiar ko ba kayo sa PPST? Oh, syempre naman, ilang taon na natin yan. Okay, so 1.5, strand 1.5, which is the strategies for developing critical and creative thinking as well as other higher order thinking skills, and the PPSSH 3.2, teaching performance feedback, and PPSS strand 3.1, support for instructional leadership. Okay, so the presentation outline is, first, we are going to put introduction of the session, then the priming activity, analysis of the activity, discussion on the parts of the HATS PLPs, walkthrough on the HATS PLPs, of course, answer worksheet. Yan. Ay, worksheet agad, pinakabahan sila. Di ba may groupings na tayo? Yes, ma'am. So, magbibigay ko na ako. Bago ko i-introduce sa inyo ang ating activity 1. Ano yan? Pakipasa po.
Salon D1.
Ano tawag natin dito? May Manila paper na po tayo dyan. Yes. Ito po ang magiging itsura. Yan, ganyan po. Yan. We're going to write the phrase, higher order thinking.
Ilalagay na dito na mga critical thinking. Dinugan ko lang ikaw tungkol sila ng critical thinking, ma'am. Problem solving. Galing ng ito, ma'am, ilagay na. Okay na?
So this is the work of order.
Group.
Order is having. So observation of facts. Yan talaga ang una.
Facts.
Then problem solving. This is problem solver. Then transfer of knowledge. Analyze, of course. Critical thinker. Create. Evaluation. Apply. Memorization. Sabi ko, parang mas last itong, sabi ko kanina kay ma'am, synthesis dapat ito. So this is the collaboration, work of order.
Okay, hindi daw pa panalo. Isi-surprise ko kailangan sa ng tabi.
Sa una po, syempre, pag-high order thinking skill assessment. Po. And then, dapat siya ay systematic. And then, pag sabi higher, syempre, dapat level up of questions. Hindi naman pwede siya basta sa questions. And then, it should be easy. Lang po.
Okay.
Mamaya kayo naman ha.
Paper.
Okay, sa thinking, group thinking, nag-isip kami ng thinking. Kaya, parang nilagay namin. So, creating, understanding, analyzing, kasi higher order thinking skills. Yung papagawa mo sa bata o sa lesson,
hanggang sa complex question, evaluating, metacognitive, remembering, comprehension, synthesis, generalization, critical thinking, applying, and broad. So broad, it will lead to stressful bawal sa mental health. Kaya matulog natin masyado lang. Makamatay na yung bata. Bloom's taxonomy and reasoning. So, yun po yung nakita namin problema dito.
Another limang palakpak po para sa thinking. Common understanding.
Actually, yung hat na first time sa akin yung hat. Dahil wala akong idea kung bakit yung hat. Pero sa ngayon, sa higher order thinking ngayon, so medyo parang nahirap siyang sa bata.
Ngayon lang ba sir narinig yung hat?
Narinig ko na pero hindi ako yung ano siya. Hindi siya actually sa amin sa lower section, hindi siya applicable.
Na fresh na training.
So, tayo ko nga na-understand sa urat. At, kung piniran ha, nainit. Parang, pag binigay mo siya sa bata, parang kung sabihin ka, ma'am ha, nainit pa niya, parang mahirap-hirap na nanintindihin. Pero, syempre, dahil sa tulungan natin mga teachers, tutulungan natin sila para maintindihan kung ano ba talaga yung higher order thinking. Na, minsan, some strategies and some techniques na alam natin na mahirap para sa kanila, gagawin natin mas madali para mas maintindihan nila paano yung special para maintindihan nila kung ano yung tinuturo natin sa kanila. Kung magawag natin gawin complicated.
What things we didn't expect to see saan? Kita? Sa maths? It is easy siguro. Kasi pag paano ko sa pagsabi ng maths, mahirap ka. Hindi ko in-expect na madali lang siya. Ganun ba yun?
Number 10. Natuwa kayo, no? Kasi wala naman siyang sa akin na explain talaga yung pinapaliwanag. Meron po isi-send sa Romier. Yan. So, send po natin yan para makasabay po kayo dito sa ating skills and their respective classroom practices. Okay, so as you browsing it, lahat feel the benefits of this. Okay, so support mechanisms for teaching and learning and supporting collaborative expertise between and among teachers, master teachers, and school leaders. Okay, so yung HATS PLPs po natin as teachers to respond to TPST indicators. So yung 1.5.2 nandito po kanina and 1.5. So the enhancement of these HATS, tignan niyo po dyan. Sabihin niyo kung saan pinagaling mo sa sabi. Hindi po sa loob ng yung package na binigay sa inyo. So the HATS, PLPs assist teachers to respond to K-12 and PISA Open. Teachers resource and mentors guide. Which are developed for teachers in grade 7, 8, 9, and 10 in science, mathematics, and English. Okay, so in this walkthrough, we will first on the teachers resource. Nabuksan nyo na, that has PLP's teachers resource to make relevant and helpful
Mamaya buksan mo na lang. Okay, so nakalagay dyan, meron tayo dyan visa. Topic natin, ang grade 8 po yan. Ang topic natin is vital science. Okay, meron visa competency. The item questions are ito mga You may try some items themselves to reflect your knowledge and understanding the learning area. Share some items with your colleagues for collaborative discussions, or adapt or develop some items for your school's context. Bibigyan ko po kayong time mamaya to browse in order for you to answer some questions regarding the resources. All teachers may sa buo po ba, pag sessions kayo kayo lang din, meron po ba kayong head? Wala kayong pinanaw? Ang head teacher nyo po? Identify yung item of interest. To review and try their students, then evaluate the process as pero pwede naman sa group, kayo na lang ng mga mathematics students. Wala kayong head. Resource of mentors. Meron po rin, hindi na yun ang-forward ni Sir. Kita nyo yan dyan, mat lang po sa atin. These are learning materials. Sana nakita niyo parang makasalit kayo ng kasi ano lang naman. Search on, hindi na naman yung to coach and further support our doctors effectively and at the same time. Collaborate with them is developing capacity. Next session guide and apps and guide on research and integrating learning approaches. Second part po is the reflection lab. Okay, so in the reflection lab, meron pong worksheet which provides ganyan po yung tsura ng mga worksheets natin. So each session, meron po complemented with respective worksheets. Purpose is to provide or understanding of the following: HATS BLPs, basic solo model and solo-based assessment. Based po yan sa parts ng event package. So optional po ang pagbibigay ng ating paglalagay ng name, pero dahil
Welcome, Sir Norman G. Doros.
Ito yung human session system.
Okay. And in this session, it is onboard with professional standard for teachers, strand 1.5, strategies for developing critical and creative thinking, as well as other higher order thinking skills.
Habang naglalaba.
One time.
Washing clothes. Each group should give at least 5 samples of class situations. Ganito ang gagawin natin para situation share 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes sir. I-role play natin ha. Ito sa ito sa order. Ayer. Bahay kami bahay. Multitasking done at home.
Yes.
I-role play niyo ha.
Sige!
Isa lang.
Yan lang po.
Huwag na isulat, sir.
Sulat nyo pa rin.
I-G-H-E-R. We are the higher group. A. We choose multitasking done at home. Of course, cooking while washing clothes. Bilang mga nanay, ito ginagawa natin.
Sabayan natin ang pagkakas. Yan po. And number 3, ma'am daw. Siyempre po kakatulog sa bahay. Mawawala yung thinking while
Nakahilin mo yan, ma'am.
kakatulog ko talaga yan.
Yung sili, ma'am.
ano sa mga teachers, lalo na pandemic, habang gumagawa ng mga IMs ay nag-webinar. Number 2, computing grades while struggling
Chris.
the surrounding.
Sir Chris, checking their phones while attending class.
Pagkutos na teacher. Maglinis ng class.
Helps.
Checking their phone while attending a class. So, paki-silent ang mga phone ninyo. Patingin ang mga phone mo. It should be siya ang silent mode. Walking around the room while handing out papers to the student. Pag-aralan nyo ha. Ay, ito. Ito. Ito talaga ito. Tanghali. Listening to the music while doing lessons.
Okay yan, akin. Music, hello! Beat it! Wanna beat the beat!
Business pa lang kayo, sir. Okay.
Okay. Pakibasa na rin second question.
Given the situations below, is the effects of multitasking good or not? Why?
What's your answer? In accomplishing much more.
The brain? It's good, sir. Gutom na ako, kaya kailangan ko magbakka para maintindihan ako. You have to feed your body as well as your brain.
The third one? Tatlo yan, mamaya sila din.
Do our learners practice multitasking?
Yes.
Marami.
Yes. Sana kasi ina-allow din talaga yung eating while parang din sila bayo. At saka siyempre, gusto naman natin hindi pwedeng biscuit. So, eat as long as you can.
Marami tayong task na dapat tapusin, di ba? Ibig sabihin, mag-concentrate na lang sa isang task.
Yes.
You have to do all things. So, dun papasok yung skill natin sa mga task.
But not in a positive way. This means that when faced with undertaking more than one attention, demanding activity at the same time, the brain has to switch between tasks and cannot do them together well. To the rules of the news. Emphasize that significant amounts of time are lost when switching between tasks. Even more time is lost and more errors are made as the tasks become more complex. Anong idea mo dyan? Higher look.
Higher order thinking. That is thinking beyond the box, sabi na ni ma'am. Then the lower order thinking skills is wala po siyang halos idea.
Parang mas mahabang paraan para makuha yung area. Hanggang sa i-introduce na natin siya sa pinaka-formula para sa area. Parang ganun siya. Pero sa experience.
Niya muna yung length at width. Kasi hindi alam niya, hindi ko isimula eh. Unahin muna sa lower. Pag nag-solve na, packet na tayo.
Babu understand.
Higher order. Following a thought, procedure, or plan. Recalling ideas or experiences. Consider different alternative perspectives. Organize their own thinking. Make informed generalizations. Yan po ang as. Yung previously memorized. Pagdating dito, dapat nakaka-relate na siya, nakaka-address na ng problem. Medyo umaakyat itong lats characteristics dito sa as. Pansin mo, sir?
Sir, gusto na sa lower section, talagang baros ng baro na halos.
Appropriate tasks and at the lower order.
Providing them with opportunities to create design. designed to
Mabilis lang yan. Walang yan na lang.
Yung mga sample activity creating. This next time na lang yung example. Higher order. Walang basic.
engaging with us by providing them. This one will be the roll and slide. We're going to have to sort all these objects into 3 different groups. We're going to have to test them out yourself. How would you find out if the things roll or slide or roll and slide? How could we find out, Artemis? That activity allowed the higher order thinking to happen because the children had to classify and sort the different objects and really think about what it was that was making things roll or slide. So when you looked at that, did you think that it would be something that can roll?
Yes, because it has round edges.
Did you think it would slide? Yeah. Why did you think that it would slide as well?
Because it has a flat edge on the top.
Siguro. Pero pag medyo yung mga task ay medyo intense na, hindi na kayang pagsasabayin. Kasi nga kung magkakaroon, hindi na magiging maganda yung outcome.
Part our achievement for the COD daw.
Lunchtime na namin, lunchtime. Ano, partner? Eating time. Yan ang ating mystic purpose ko of 2010. Solo, solo.
Solo, solo.
Hats na hats.
Hats, solo. Hats,
Solo.
Topic for this 3-day seminar training is 7 topics, which is tapos na po tayo sa ating walkthrough. Okay. And then we have the session 2, which is the solo and hats in the classroom. Session 3 is the supporting hats in classroom through learning approaches. And of course, we had session 4, hats in practice. Session 5, the WAP or the workplace application plan. And session 6 is spacing of courses. And the last session, session 7, professional learning community in schools. So, our objective for session 2 is, of course, meron lang po tayong tatlong objective. Of course, andyan i-discuss natin ang Bloom's taxonomy. Huwag po kayong mag-alala kasi pahapyaw lang ito para makita natin, bago natin i-introduce si Solo, para makita natin yung difference ni Bloom's taxonomy sa Solo taxonomy. And of course, we have to demonstrate the understanding. So, introduce na po natin si basic Solo model. And the third objective is provide the concrete application. After our discussion, meron tayong activity for concrete understanding and application of our topic this after. Okay. Kasi ang ginagamit natin is knowledge comprehension, tama po? Opo. Okay, and then nabago siya ng 2001. Yeah, 2001. Ginamit na ang word na remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Okay. Noong 1956, ito yung ginagamit natin, knowledge comprehension application. At alam ko marami pong nakaabot dito sa yes, ma'am. Opo, kasama po ang analyzing. Okay, so pagdating naman po noong 2001, no, ni-require tayo na gamitin yung verb form. Kaya po ang ginamit na natin is remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Yan po yung short, a quick discussion about the Bloom's taxonomy. Okay. Why are we discussing Bloom's taxonomy? Of course, no, para makita natin ano yung Solo taxonomy or the Solo model. Respondent on prompt. What is Einstein's theory of relativity? May recalling what the theory is, but recalling the said theory requires high level of thinking. Ni-remember niya lang yung theory, pero dahil prompt ang kanyang pagsagot, so consider siya na hacks. Okay. This is Solo taxonomy or Solo model. It is a system to classify the quality of response based on structure complexity. 5 level. Kasi si pre-structural po, siguro kaya naging 4 siya, dahil si pre-structural, empty pa po ang learners. Kaya po, baka dahil doon, kaya hindi siya sinama. Di ba ma'am na, naging issue ito doon sa ano? Pero according to, yes ma'am, hindi siya talaga kasama. Pero kasi ma'am dito sa ano po, kahit po issue sa 5. Opo. Dahil empty po siya, kaya 4.
Kaya mag-i-start siya ng
okay, from the word pre.
Wala pa.
Ano ma'am? Pre, 0. O, di ba? Pag pre, before. Okay. Pag uni po, okay, we have 1. Pag say uni. Pag multi po, okay, 2 or more. Pag relational kaya? Yes, ma'am.
Relation na.
Okay, makakapag-connect ka na, no? May relation. Yes, ma'am. Pag extended abstract kaya? Sir? Extended siya. Extended na. Okay. Tingnan natin. Parang nagbigay siya na example. Okay, beyond expectation na, no? Pag complex, yun. Sabi ni Sir Joel, complex. Okay, beyond expectation na tayo.
Problem, but uses only one piece of relevant data. Response may be
inconsistency. And order group, multi-structural.
Multi-structural. Two or more pieces of data are used without any relationships between them. No integration occurs. Some inconsistency may be apart.
Okay, so si multi-structural, meron na siyang 2 or more data, pero no, hindi niya pa kaya ipag-connect. No, wala pang connection to each other. And of course, si thinking group, relational.
All data are now which is woven into an overall
Idea lang siya, meron niya kaya i-connect. Pag multi, single, mini. Ito no relational can connect na.
Okay, another definition. Okay. Sige, try natin. So, tingnan natin. So, I think it will rain because there are clouds over there and they are dark looking and the wind is coming from that direction. And the wind is getting stronger and the air feels different. It rained yesterday and the weather seems very similar. Okay, so ang relation niya, yung pareho yung weather kahapon. So, tingin
however, it's really the dry season and it might not happen as these same conditions happened last week and no rain occurred.
The Q and the response. Kapag unistructural,
Parehas
pag multi, ayan.
Madami na siyang
okay, meron tayong 3, no? Na 3 na relevant. Okay. And pag relational po, according to the structure, nakita nyo, no? Na nakaka-relate na yung apat to each other. Connected, the data is connected to each other. No? Na pare-parehong relevant. Okay. So wala nang inconsistency dito. And of course, sa ating extended abstract, si relation 1, no? Nakapag-create ka pa ng other relation and other relation. That is the extended abstract.
Kasi extended niya. Parang ano yun eh. Parang Martes.
Order and lower order ICS. And of course, develop natin yung teaching program natin. Ang ini-evaluate na natin dito, yung response ng ating mga estudyante. How about multi-structural level?
Alam niya nang mag-start, alam niya nang...
Ayan, marunong na daw magsindi ng ilaw, ng signal light.
Alam na gamitin ng
How about pag-relational po kaya?
Kaya niya.
Oh, yun yung driver namin sa bubog. Pag-relational na ma'am, paano kaya?
Pag-relational ba? Siyempre, pag marunong ka na mag-start, alam mo na kung mag-first view ka na ba. Tapos, dapat alam mo paano patakbo yun.
Okay, alam mo patakbuhin. So, that is relational. Eh, paano pag extended abstract?
Kailangan tayo, kaya mo na. Pwede ka nang humada sa
Pag extended abstract na po. Decision making is tama. Kasi so, nasa higher order responses na po siya. Issue na sa ibabaw, unistructural at part siya ay multistructural. Tama po? So, one idea siya or pag multi, more than one independent ideas. So, pero hindi pa siya connected. Pero yung deep structure, nandyan si relational at si extended. Kaya siya consider na as. Ayaw ko talagang na rin,
National High School. So, welcome to session 2C. So, yung pinresent po ni Sir Norman ay 2A, session 2A. Si Ma'am Eunice naman po ay session 2B. At ang akin naman po ay ang session 2C, the solo and HOTS in the classroom. My name is Alvin P. Masangkay, your learning facilitator. Okay, again, ito na naman. Kung mapapansin nyo pa ulit-ulit po no, yung mga matches na iyan. So, ang purpose po niya is para may recall po natin kung ano ba yung mga sessions na ating pag-aaralan all throughout our seminar. So, ilang sessions nga po ulit tayo? 7. So, what are they? So, ano yung mga pag-aaralan sa session 1? So, class PRP walkthrough. So, tapos na po tayo dyan kanina. Diniscuss ni Ma'am Tata Barongan. So, nandito na po tayo sa session 2, the solo and HOTS in the classroom. Next, session 3 is the supporting HOTS in the classroom through learning approaches. Session 4, HOTS in practice. Session 5, workplace application plan. Session 6, facing the forces. And session 7, professional learning community in schools. Okay? Sige po. So, our session objectives. Okay, for this session, we shall study how solo works in the teaching and learning processes. We shall dwell on understanding how we can use solo in classroom instruction and learning assessment. So ngayon, i-apply na po natin yung pinag-aralan kanina natin sa session 2B, inside the classroom. So what are our objectives? So at the end of a the 90-minute learning session. Ang haba. So kung kanina, 1 hour lang. Ngayon, tayo ay ang session natin ay 1 hour and 30 minutes. The participant shall be able to, so kayo po ito, understand how solo framework is applied in the teaching and learning processes, particularly in the classroom instruction and learning assessment. So, yung tayo muna. So, yung ating PPST strand is the strategies for developing critical and creative thinking as well as the other higher order thinking skills. Okay, yan po sa school head. And specifically, they shall be able to explain how solo framework is applied in the teaching and learning process. Okay? Super items na yan. So, assigned with the solo levels, reflecting how to measure learners' understanding and knowledge acquisition of a particular learning competency. So, yan pa super item. Okay ba? So, what are our learning session norms? Yung mga items. Okay, number 1, solve the system of equation. Ano, negative 2x or 2x? 2x plus y equals 5 and 3x minus y equals 10. So ito, nagkaroon din kami ng discussion talaga dito. Ang sagot po dyan ay, anong color? Blue! Ang color po niyan ay color? Blue! Color? Blue! Pero hindi pa. Okay? Another analysis. How does the solo taxonomy help design appropriate learning experiences in English, science, or in mathematics? Paano nakakatulong yung solo taxonomy? So, ano para saan na ulit yung solo? Response na learners. So, paano yung nakakatulong sa pagdidesign ng learning experiences? Create a classroom culture where seeking to learn is more seen as a habit. So, paano magiging habit? So, dapat pinapractice nga po natin siya lagi. It's a needed part of the learning. Are ready for it. Have the needed lower level skills. So, okay po? So, dapat iba-ibang ating teaching styles. So, iba nga. Bawat estudyante, di ba? Meron tayong differentiated instruction. Kasi iba-iba ang ating mga estudyante.
Ay, iba-iba.
Sige nga, ma'am. Makinig po tayo kayo kasi
pag-proceed, kung itutuloy pa ba natin kasi nadadamay sa yun, nadadamay yung mga klase. So what's wrong with your student na kahit anong i-teach mo, hindi nila lang. So yun po, alamin natin yung
basic pa.
kung saan siya.
Ang tanong nga, yung tayo.
Kung saan may problem. time niya yan.
Okay na po, itinasa na po talaga namin yun. Kasi yung pandemic nga eh. Diba? So ang nagsabi niya, yung mga grade 7. So dun na yung sinasabi naman ni Ma'am Joy na magkaroon ng remedial program. Ito mga bata ito na hindi naturuan ay magkakaroon ng extra time para sa
Para sa unique structural level, ano may mga words na associated doon? So, we have identify, name, follow a simple procedure. Kaya kanina yung solving simple procedure na yun. Yung yung roots ng quadratic. Solve a straightforward single focus problem. Paraphrase, how, name, recite, unistructural level. Perform serial skills. Solve straightforward multi-step problems. Combine, classify, structure, trust, explain causes, relate, justify, integrate, hypothesize, reflect, theorize, generalize, judge, transfer ideas to a new of knowledge in the brain is the difference between well-learned from poorly learned material. The levels, unistructural, one thing, multi-structural, many things, and so on. Reasons for. Yan. State ako. Sino pong ibig sagot dito? State ako. Then, provide an example. Then, so multi-structural, list the reasons for. So marami. Describe. So it depends upon the context. And provide the reasons. For. So relational or maybe extended abstract. Why? Yung mga why questions. And the reversibility questions. A solid super item. Pero dito, medyo pakapyaw lang po ito. Ano nga po yung for solo level? Unistructural, multi-structural, relational, and extended abstract. So gagawa po tayo ng question na ganon? Hindi. Again, ang solo super item po ay combination po ng STEM at ng 4 questions at each solo level based on the STEM. Again, relational and extended abstract. Next, ayan. Ito pa example sa English. Pansinin po ninyo, nakalagay lang sa English, the pictures below were taken in 2020 during the pandemic to show what schooling was like as their income-generating project on the IGP. The officers...
What are the topics you have discussed today? So, how many sessions ang ating natatackle na today? So, we have 2. So, how many facilitators do we have? Already? 4. So, what is the first topic?
Resource walkthrough.
Okay. The resource walkthrough. So, nilakad tayo, ibig sabihin pinasyal tayo ng mga barongan sa ating PLP. So, ano ibig sabihin ng PLP po ulit? Professional Learning Packages. So, saan po gagamitin ng PLP? Sinong gumagamit po niyan? Dalawa lang yan. We have the mentor and the teacher. So, pag tayo nagtuturo sa ating mga estudyante, ano pong gagamitin natin? Yung sa teacher. And kapag isi-share po natin itong tool natin sa teacher, we can use the mentor. So, everybody can be a mentor. Not only the master teacher, the head teacher, but also the teachers. Like, for example, instance natin na meron tayong student teacher. Then, papagamit po natin yung PLPs po natin. So, saan po naka-incline ang ating PLPs?
PPST yan ang number.
This program is inclined sa ating PPST na tama po yun, doon sa higher order thinking skills. So, discuss din yun. Pero ang ating PLPs ay naka-incline doon sa ating PISA. So, para ma-assist natin, para mag-guide natin ang mga estudyante sa ating mga national assessment, yung international, yung mga kills natin, such as PISA. Tama po? So, may mga examples tayo doon na makukuha natin not necessarily yung order ng PLB natin, yun na po yung order ng MELT natin na gagamitin natin for the matatag curriculum and the belt. Yung BEC o BEC, basic education. Yung K-12 natin na luma. Kasi pinakago na po tayo yung transition na tayo ngayon. 3-year transition of matatag curriculum. Okay po. And the second topic natin ay hindi pa natin natatapos. That is the HOTS in the classroom. So, natapos na natin ang multitasking. So, alam na po natin kung ano yung multitasking, ano yung benefit, ano yung disadvantage, ano yung advantages ng multitasking. Sa inyo po ba? Mag-multitasking pa rin po ba kayo? Yes. Depende. Kasi meron sa nature talaga natin, kailangan magsabay. Pero, ang sabi sa study, na hindi ini-encourage ng multitasking. Pero kapag kailangan, sige, pagbigyan natin. Pero sana, kapag importante yung ginagawa, focus na. Opo. Nandun tayo focus natin nandoon. Siguro pwede natin multitasking yung naglalapa ka, kapag nanonood ka ng TV. Pero pag professional, something professional, sana huwag natin gawin yung multitasking. Nagtuturo tayo kapag nagsasalita. No? Sana, kumakasahan po ba namin sa inyo? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.